أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Blessed climate smart autumn greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAMS Wheel of Life Palm School Tesla powered Al Saada Towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and SAMS Aligarh Muslim University Tesla Gigafactory campus towns in all countries of our world to assure that 8 billion residents of our planet enjoy inflation-free total quality life. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education in chemical engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology, master's from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started at Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted Total Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA, and today SAMS TQLMA Club is the global company, our management company, EMCI, is incorporating it in all countries of our world. We have also incorporated SAMS TQLMA Club in the state of SCNRFP to enjoy benchmark incentives and provide optimum profits to SAMS TQLMA Club members. My WhatsApp number is 923332283257. A session like this can be scheduled to solve your individual, family, and business problems with money back guarantee. Okay, so I'm welcoming Brother Khalid from UAE, and he will be introducing himself and all the opportunities which are available in Dubai for SAMS TQLMA Club members. Go ahead, Khalid.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Mufaddal. Hope you're doing good today. For people who are interested to purchase properties in Dubai for your people, first, we are glad to renew our business relation with you. I remember we met you a couple of years back, and we were negotiating too many projects in Dubai. And thanks for coming back, Doctor. Dubai is doing good right now in real estate. And this based on Dubai Land Department numbers and transactions. If we compare it to the previous years, 2020-23 is one of the best. Fortunately, all the problems and challenges that are happening in all the world, it's affecting in a good way in Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
So Russian clients, Ukraine clients, European clients were #1 in buying this year in Dubai.
Okay.
So the number exceeded billions. Right now in Dubai, as for me, I'm an owner of a real estate company in Dubai. And we are registered in Dubai Land Department, and also we are registered and have official contracts with all the developers, which this can give us the right to sell all the properties with all the developers in Dubai. We have too many projects in different locations in Dubai. We have too many types of properties, from apartments, from villas, from hotel apartments, from offices, and from plots. So depending on the inquiry of the client is giving us, we are pitching our clients. as I remember, I shared one of the projects with you 2 days ago. It's one of the, let's say, good projects that we are focusing on today. It is in a good location in Dubai, which the developer himself is offering a flexible payment plan, and they are furnished apartments as well. So depending on your clients, we can pitch them.
Okay.
Because every client has his own, let's say, state of mind regarding investment or someone who want to live in. So those different types of thinking of the investors that we are meeting leads us to the right track in order which projects we can pitch them. You got my point?
Okay.
Okay. So you can share with your clients, with your people, one of our projects, and let us hear the feedback from them.
Correct.
And
now,
based
I
on
think
their feedback,
what I want from you is, and I think we can finalize that this particular project which you have described, you had about 45 apartments available, right? And so whatever apartments are available now, and like I said, if you can give me the roof, it will be fantastic, to do my Tesla project over there. But the apartments which are available in this particular project, I think we can immediately offer a good value to our engineers and the sponsors in Pakistan itself, so that immediately those are starting point for us, and that will allow me. Obviously, I would like to be part of your company also, and we come to Dubai, and then we set up our office also in the same location, in one on the top floor, etc. If it is available. In that project or in any other project, I mean, sure, there's no issue. But I'm focusing on really finalizing this particular transaction with you. You give me the bulk cost of it, Mufaddal. This is your cost. You offer good value to your engineers and sponsors, and we are in business, and we can immediately start executing it.
No worries. How we deal with those things in Dubai, definitely we meet the decision maker.
Right.
And we meet him in the developer office, and based on our meeting,
correct,
we finalize the deal.
Correct.
If you are insisting to have the last prices, I can talk to the management of top
Please.
management of this developer, and I
Please.
can insist also to have the last price. But when I'm dealing with those people, I care about my reputation as well as you care about your reputation.
I tell you something.
Yes, but let me continue if you don't mind.
Yeah, please. I've got we have got 3 minutes.
Yes,
summarize
so
everything. Okay?
I have 13 years experience in this field. When I'm speaking to the vice president or the CEO of the company,
right,
I need to have solid plan in my hands, and I need to know well where I'm going. So I cannot tell him, oh, I talked to Dr. Mufaddal and really he's interested in your project and he's waiting the last price. Those people, they need a proof of money.
And we'll give them.
Before giving the last price, he will tell me where is that check.
Fine.
Where is the money? So give me something tangible.
Okay.
In order to assist you in giving the last price. You got my point?
Wonderful. What I will do is
that's the mentality of all the developers in Dubai.
I agree 100%. So now you are actually purchasing it. I'm part of your company. You simply tell him that, Dr. Mufaddal is a director in my company, doing this climate smart project. I love him. I like him. I met him, so I have made him the director in my company, and, I am purchasing this, and so that he can offer this to his fellow engineers and, his, clientele. So basically, that way it becomes simple. So I become an internal member of your company, of your team. And then, you are doing it like you are purchasing it from the developer on cash. Because we have got the cash available, right?
How much time you need to finalize the deal?
Immediately, I mean, we are ready to finalize it today.
For example, I can tomorrow morning go to
Yeah.
their office
Please do.
and they can prepare for me everything. If I send
Yes.
it to you tomorrow, how much time you need to finalize it?
Well, I mean, we can immediately, I mean, I will immediately probably, if I know don't need to come, I can come to Dubai and immediately sell it off. But I'm going to be selling it off to my, engineers and clients in Pakistan. And we will give them the whatever visa, etc., which is coming with this property. And then that's it. So it's sold basically.
Okay, and regarding the money, is there any issue in bringing the money to Dubai or
No,
the
no
money
issues
they
at
are
all.
in
The money
Dubai?
will be in Dubai. Because it's, I
Okay.
mean, gold is in Dubai and, we simply sell the gold and give you the money.
No worries. I will go tomorrow to their office. I will start the procedure.
Fine.
And let us take it from there. I will keep you updated tomorrow.
Excellent. So I think,
Okay.
Shukran Jazila, Brother Khalid, and,
You're most welcome.
we will continue, and we worked hard when we met first. And,
Yes.
but now, that incomplete
Now we need to work
transaction.
hard with the result.
No, the incomplete transaction of Damak Hills will be now completed with agility. Inshallah ta'ala.
Yalla, inshallah, hopefully.
Okay, brother.
Yalla,
Shukran Jazila.
glad
Assalamu
talking
alaikum.
to you.
Glad talking
Assalamu
to you.
alaikum.
And
You
I
too.
think,
Take care. I'll get back.
inshallah.